Okay, good day, everybody, and welcome to today's edition of our Zoom call from Mentorship Academy, Tech Plus Mentorship Academy. Okay, we are bringing you today again how to make money the smart way, trading cryptocurrency. And this training series is brought to you by Tech Plus Mentorship Academy digital skills training series. So we have a lot of them out there, but with this trending moment of cryptocurrency, it's one of our obligation in the academy to educate people, enlighten people more about the cryptocurrency. Okay, now we look at in those days when making money will take you a lot of stress. It take you a lot of hard work to make money. But now we have come to a point where you make money per click. You know, your money-making machine now is that phone in your hand. That laptop that you fold in your bag is your money-making machine of the 21st century. And we know we are going further and deeper into making more money using internet technology and mobile devices. Or let's say mobile devices are much more in use now than any other device in the world. Now, the addiction to mobile devices is getting higher and higher every day, that when a time will come when they separate somebody from his mobile device, the person will now begin to live a miserable life. So now this mobile device should not just be for addiction, but it should be something that will enhance your making of money in a smart way. One of the reasons why I say making money online is the smartest thing that ever happened on Earth, on the planet Earth, is that there is no way we can have a marketplace on Earth where you see up to, let me say, in the marketplace on Earth where you get up to maybe 2 million people, 3 million people in one market at a time. It is, let me say, practically impossible to have a marketplace in the world where you get up to 2 billion people gather at once. It's just like, I don't think the facilities or the space will be available for. But if you watch Apple website, the visitors on Apple website sometime in a day, within 24 hours, are up to 2 billion people, okay? And the visitors on Google, let's say people that visit Google a day are over 3 billion people. So you can see that there is no smarter way to make more money in the world like making money using the internet or the information technology. So that is the reason why today I said you are going to learn how to make money in the smartest way or the smarter way in the world using the internet technology or using your mobile devices. So let's just quickly look at what we have for ourselves today in this training series. Maybe after today, we will not be running this particular series in this format again. We just pick a particular practicable form and just practice it and forge ahead. So today, I want to quickly introduce myself before we go deep, because some persons will be watching this live online and some people will just be asking, who is this fellow that is talking about making money the smart way? My name is Alex Adams. I am the CEO of TechCloss Global Services Limited and the founder of TechCloss Mentorship Academy, okay? Now, my major core value is in innovation, technology, training, development, and empowerment, okay? And to put it more, I'm an internet entrepreneur, that's a technology entrepreneur, and my major passion is blockchain technology and digital marketing. One of my major areas of activity is I mentor people my 20 years experience on the internet marketing. I mentor people, I coach people, consult, and teach people digital skills, specifically, and this time around, the blockchain technology. Yeah, I'm also an instructor in the AI, that's artificial intelligence automation, in the Armed Forces Mechatronics School. So that is a little bit about me, and then you can see more of me again in my personal website, askalesadams.com. Okay, that's my personal consulting website. It's www.askalesadams.com. So that is that about me. So what do we have today? Before we go into what we have today, I just have a little disclaimer here. I'm about to show you a particular industry. And this industry I'm going to be talking about is just a highly volatile industry. Okay, the industry is highly volatile, and it's highly volatile. It's highly volatile industry, and the industry is going to be a financial involvement industry. So I would like to advise you that this tech loss is not legal, or not giving you a legal advice or financial advice. Okay, the cryptocurrency is a professional, so you are advised. Just to round this up, I would say Techlos Global Services Limited and Techlos Mentorship Academy is not a broker of crypto, and we are not a financial advisor. So cryptocurrency is a volatile business that you just need to use your due diligence to do it. So do not invest in the business what you cannot afford to lose. But the platform we are using is a spot trading anyway, which the tendency or the possibility of losing money is very, very minimal. So you make more money than you lose money using spot. So let me go further from that. What do we have today in our training content? Today we are going to be looking at what is money, and then what is cryptocurrency, trading of cryptocurrency, and then we'll look at the knowing the coin or the tokens you should trade, and then trading on Binance, advantage of trading robots, and then we'll talk a little bit more about the type of trading robot we should be using now, and how to make more money selling the trading robot. Then our crypto master course, that's another thing we look at. Then after crypto master course, the next thing we'll look at is bonus in trust wallet trading for our community on WhatsApp and Telegram. So that is the course content. So for that, now let's go a bit further. Okay, a bit further. Now, money has evolved, and if you are still in the past, I would like you to quickly buckle up right now, because we are just going to be talking about the future of finance. Money started with trade by barter in the Stone Age, and then we got to coin, cowries, and other precious materials. Then the thing evolved to paper money. And the paper money started in China. Then later, we got to plastic money that started in the United States, which is a credit card or whatever card you're using, and you have them ATM and so on. Then the later money evolved into mobile money. They will have a contactless, cashless system where money can just use a USSD code, and money is straight transfer without this. So getting to 2009, then in 2009, money now was totally transformed into digital currency. Now we're talking about the founder of cryptocurrency in 2009. Satoshi Nakamoto, Satoshi Nakamoto came up with an ideology of cryptography that is revolutionized the use of money right now. We are in the future of finance. So if you are at this presentation or you are watching this right now, you are in the right place. So let's look at what we're looking at right now. What is cryptocurrency? What is cryptocurrency? That is what we're going to be looking at right now. What is cryptocurrency? Okay. Now, when we talk about cryptocurrency, it is a digital asset that is engraved with cryptography and is in the blockchain technology that is impossible to counterfeit. So this is an asset, not just a legal tender like money. We just say it's far beyond money. It's a digital asset that can be used as a collateral, can be used as a property. You can leave your cryptocurrency as inheritance for your children and the generation yet unborn. So cryptocurrency is the digital asset that enable us to transact peer-to-peer and do any kind of money investment or transaction without you passing even through the bank. Okay. Now this is just closing the gap of trust. Gone are days you drop your money in the bank and the bank decide the future of your money. It is possible for the bank to just shut down completely with your money and the money is gone. The bank is gone and it's gone with the money. But now we are in the generation where with the inscription of crypto, you can keep this fund forever. You can keep your crypto forever. You can just leave it as forever. This when, let's say, no more earth, no more people, then that's when you say, okay, now no more crypto. If not, the technology has come to stay. It's a blockchain technology. Your money is accessible in any kind of computer in the world by your own permission. So that is how powerful the crypto is. So, and that, let me just give you a brief history or performance of crypto starting from 2010. Okay. Now I just have a small conversation with my community recently, and I told them that $10 can make somebody a millionaire in a short period of time. $10 right now is still less than 6,000 naira. Okay, can make you even a multi-millionaire in the next 5 to 10 years. Okay, let us look at some fact about the crypto from 10 years till date. Okay, now, do you know that in the past, in 2010, Bitcoin was sold for 1 naira. 1 Bitcoin was sold for 1 naira. But it got to only 7 years later, 1 Bitcoin sold for 1 naira was sold for 7 million naira. And before you know, in 2021, the Bitcoin rose to as high as 21 million naira. Imagine somebody that invested 1 million naira 10 years ago, and this year now, the person is cashing out 21 million naira. So they try to say that, okay, you were rich enough that period to invest 10 naira. If you're investing 10 naira, you'll be cashing out 2.1 billion naira. Now, if you are investing 100 naira as at then, you'll be cashing out 20 billion 100 million. So imagine 1,000. Imagine 1,000. 1,000 naira as of that 11 years ago is now going to trillion. Imagine 1,000 naira. That time the money was free. That time if you buy Money Watch magazine from the United States, the middle of it gives you entitlement to free 20 Bitcoin. Each of the magazine you buy, the bonus on it is they gave Bitcoin that 2009, 2010 for free. just buying the Money Watch magazine from the United States, your reward is Bitcoin free. Now we talk about Bitcoin. Then next, we have another smart contract system that came on board called Ethereum. And Ethereum has a lot of projects and a lot of smart contract attached to it, including the Oracle. Now look at what happened. Now in 2015 that Ethereum came up, Ethereum was as low as $0.67. That is 67 cents per Ethereum. As low as that. Now imagine that in 2015, somebody bought 10 Ethereum, bought 14 to 15 Ethereum for $10. Almost 15 Ethereum for $10. Now, when Ethereum got to 2021 by May, one single Ethereum was sold for as high as $4,363. Now, if you convert this between the space of 3.5 years to 4 years, $10 is now 32,552,238. That is it. 32.5 million from 2,000 naira. 2,000 naira is now 32.5 million naira. That is how powerful this industry can be. Now, if you look at, apart from Ethereum, I will go further to the ones that happened even of recent times, so that you will not feel that, okay, it's something of 10 years, something of 20 years, it must be of 30 years before I make money. Okay, now, in the year 2019, there is a coin called Phaeton. Phaeton came out that in 2019, and Phaeton was sold for 0.009468. That is, let me say, I don't know, it's not up to a cent. It's not even up to, it's 0.009468. Now, buying $10 worth of Phaeton that period, you have 1,056 pieces of Phaeton at that period. Now, imagine that coin later in 2021, one Phaeton became as high as one Phaeton was. Please let me excuse this call. Tell me I'm on Zoom, please. So like now in 2021, sorry for that break, and just a little bit having other calls that are coming in. Like in the month of May 2021, $10 worth of Phaeton was sold now for 1,954. Imagine, which is 1,057,000 from $10, 3,005 within the space of 2 years. Now let me quickly go to Solana before I skip these testimonies or the happenings. Now you look at it. Solana in 2020, it is even after the COVID lockdown that Solana came up like that, okay? And up to 12 pieces of Solana was bought for $10. Imagine then, because then Solana was sold for 0.07768 each. Now in 2021, that same Solana was sold for $208 for one, from 0.07768 to $208. Now, at that brief moment, within the space of 10 months, $10 is now $2,677, which is about 1.4 million naira in 10 months. Imagine such a powerful shift in the financial industry. Okay, so today I would like to quickly tell you about trading. What is crypto trading? Crypto trading is simply buying this cryptocurrency when it is low and selling it when it is high. This trading can be in a long-term trading or at the very short-term trading. You can decide to buy when it is low this morning and sell it off when it is high today evening. You can decide to buy it when it is low today, today maybe Sunday evening, and sell it off when it is high next Sunday. It can be 1 week, it can be 1 day, 1 week, it can be 1 month, okay? It can even be 1 year. So you can even say, I'm going to buy and hold for the next 5 years or 10 years. That this is my lifetime investment, or this is my children's inheritance. So it works in that way. So cryptocurrency trading is you buying at any time you feel the market is good for you and selling it off at a time it has appreciated. And it goes in a pair. You may decide to buy BTC and USDT, BTC and Ethereum. You can just trade. You can trade with any kind of pairs that are very, very favorable to your trading plan. So that is how this trade system works, okay? That's how this trade system works. So you can become a professional trader, meaning you are just doing trading for your living. So there are people that live, feed their family, pay all their bills, trading this cryptocurrency. And so I can use maybe little illustration of the Burundi exchange. If you are a person from Nigeria, you see people that they call Aboki change dollar. What they are doing is they are trading. They buy. And they anticipate that this thing, once it goes up, they sell. Or sometimes they buy, and with certain profit on it, they sell. So you can go into trading like that in full time or in part time. Okay? Now, apart from this trading, let us know how to identify this crypto. Because sometimes when there is genuine things all over the world, at any instant, some, evil souls can come up with to get people that are gullible, get people that don't have the knowledge and rip them of their hard-earned money. So you should know what exactly a crypto is, or some of the cryptos that are actually approved and they are good for you to buy and to trade. That is very, very important for you, okay? And one of the ways to know which crypto is legitimate or is genuinely listed is to use the coin market cap. This website has become the most powerful website in verifying the genuinity of a cryptocurrency, that yes, it's really now a cryptocurrency. Although there are still criteria there to look into in that coin market cap before you also invest, because some of those products may not have all the requirement for your investment so that you will not tie your money down, okay? And some coin can still be delisted, meaning with time, they were not able to perform. They were not even ready for something serious, and they are all delisted. So with that, I'm going to show you the second website that also will be part of your trading and your crypto business plan, okay? Now, the second place I would like you to look into critically is Binance. It's a must-have account for anyone that wants to do well in the crypto industry. It's a must-have account. Now, the reason why I say Binance is the must-have account is that it's one of the largest crypto trading platform in the world. And it's still considered right now to be one of the safest crypto trading platform in the world. It has a very, very good security system because their KYC and their regulation system is, in fact, is super. So you can use Binance as your alternative bank, if I'll say it. And they have one of the most flexible way of withdrawing your money through P2P system. Their P2P system is super anywhere in the world, especially if you're in a country that the government is trying to narrow down how fiat and crypto relates in maybe you're from a country like Nigeria or maybe India or any part of the world where the country say, okay, we want to narrow it. And many countries in Africa are scared of innovation, you know. So you just have a peer-to-peer system in Binance, which we will look into briefly before we forge ahead, that it works very effective one, okay? Now, apart from that, after we finish from checking on CoinMarketCap and checking on Binance, how the platform or how the system operates, we're going to come back on how to maximize your crypto tradings with trading robot, okay? Now, these are the two websites. Just take good note of them. You'll be using this website as time goes on, and you'll be using this website almost often, okay? Almost every day. So apart from these two websites now, we'll also be looking at trading robots. Now, we're going to be working on how to trade with ease and how to trade eliminating all kind of stress in your trading system. How to eliminate trading system in your this. Now, because in trading, it is just your ability to do all kind of decision or trading decision, because it is proper for you to eliminate that emotion and the decision making in your business. So now trading robot will give you the advantage of making a decision that is more perfect, more efficient, and then it will help you not to just stay awake and glued to your system 24/7. So this is why we are going to be recommending to you as a trader to engage the use of trading robot. So with this right now, I'm going to come back into the trading robot part of this series very, very soon. We'll come back to that. But before then, let me just take you quickly to the coin market and do some quick work in the coin market for you to know how to go about what coin to invest in, and how legitimate and then what you should consider before you invest into any coin. Is very, very important and very, very good for you to know that. So once that is done, then you can forge ahead in your crypto business. So now this time around, let's just go quickly into the coin market, and then let me show you some few things before we come back again. I'll quickly show you the platform, coin market, and also Binance. Okay, now this time around, let's go quickly to coin market cap. Now the website is www.coinmarketcap.com. Just enter the coinmarketcap.com, and then once you go to CoinMarketCap, you will be seeing some trending news about crypto. Okay, you subscribe to YouTube and win and all these things. So anyone that concerns you, you do with it, but just mind what you are here for. Okay. Now on this CoinMarketCap, there are some special features that are added to this website, which were not there before. One of the special features is that they show you now what is the most trending coin right now. Like in the past few days, the three coins that were highly trending are Lightning, which is light, and Cardano, which is ADA, and Koti. These guys are this, although Cardano is the only one on, light is only one on top profit now. Cardano is on down, and then Koti is on down. Then the biggest gainers, they will show you the biggest gainer. You can see some of them within 24 hours, they were able to make profit of 728% within 24 hours. Now this Fiscus was able to make 541% within 24 hours. Then we have GoldFineX. GoldFineX was able to also make 532% within 24 hours. This 24 hours profit, you know. Then we look at also the recently added. You can see some of these coins that are recently added. You just look at them and take advantage of them. They are very, very good way that you can invest your little $10 and wait, because most of these zeros will start disappearing as fast as possible. You see, a coin is called Pizza Box. Pizza Box is now on zero. This is a new token now, is on 0.0000000329. So now we'll look at the volume, circulation, and so on to know if this one is almost practically zero, meaning this zero that you are seeing right now is that this coin is the zeros, point zeros are so many, okay? But this VPEX, they tried, the coin just listed newly here and it's already on 0.07. So you look out for such things, okay? And then once you look at now we're going to look at coins by their rate and by their ranking and by their circulation and so on. So we just look at them very, very, very quickly before we go. Now, look at it now. The first coin that is leading on top of the list is the Bitcoin itself, BTC. Now, what you are going to be considering so far is this line here, this top line here, this line like this, just take note of it. The first thing you look is 24 hours performance. The past 24 hours, it has made at least the up profit of to 1.29. That is the profit. Then the 7 days, right? 7 days, it is on the losses for the past 7 days, losses of 8.87. That's why in my early disclaimer and then the caution is that in crypto is an ups and down business. So it can go up today by this 8%, and tomorrow it can go as high as 200% tomorrow. So never can tell. So what you look most when you want to invest into a coin first is the market capitalization. The market cap of crypto, which of Bitcoin, which is the king of crypto, is $813 billion. Okay, $813 billion, which is then the volume of it that is circulating within 24 hours the volume, 24 hours supply. That is, this supply of the 24 hours is about 32 billion in 24 hours. Now look at this. Take note of this circulating supply. Circulating supply of BTC. We have about 18,826,712. So 18 million Bitcoin is in circulation. Just know why the price of Bitcoin will always be very, very, very high. And the price will still remain strong. The total Bitcoin in circulation right now is 18.8 million Bitcoin in circulation. So the next following it now, you can see the market cap super. So all this market cap, you should know that the market cap of Ethereum is almost next to the one of Bitcoin. Very powerful market cap, and then very powerful circulation in volume of circulation in the 24 hours. But what you should look at again is that the number of Ethereum in circulation is even higher than the number of Bitcoin in circulation. So that's the reason why you see it is a bit slow. But the founder of Ethereum, the Cardano, they are smart enough to know that, wow, with the way adoption is going, the number of Bitcoin or the number of crypto in circulation may be something that you need more. So 177 million Ethereum is in circulation. So you can see Ethereum also 100 and something million, or anything in million in circulation is very, very scarce. Is very, very scarce. So any coin that is like millions of it in circulation and it has gained strong adoption is very, very scarce. Okay, so those coins will definitely go up and do well. Okay, this is it. So apart from this circulation, we'll look at the market later. Which market do you find them? What is their socials? What are they out for? We'll look at all those later. But you see, later on, when these guys know that, well, the adoptions are high, coins start going to billions in volume. You can see that the number of Cardano, which is the next one after Ethereum, is growing back to back because Cardano is still the founder of Ethereum is still the name Cardano is the one that got this coin. So now it went into 32 billion of Cardano in circulation. So you can see that the circulation is getting high. Now, Theta is a stable coin, so I'm not going to be counting as Theta right now because it's just a USDT. So the volume is high, then no problem about that. It's a stable coin. There's no much for me to do here. Now, the next coin that is doing massively well and is going fast is BNB, Binance Coin. Only 168 million of it is in circulation. Okay, total circulation. So very scarce. It will go high. Anticipate this coin to also hit $10,000 one day, $20,000 one day, and even go higher like Bitcoin. So just look at towards that. So then one we look at this is Xrp Ripple. Now look at why. Sometimes people will ask, why is Ripple not growing very fast as it's supposed to grow? Okay, now you can see the market capitalization of Ripple, super, and the circulating volume of Ripple, everyone circulating is very powerful. But look at Ripple, we have over 46 billion Ripple in circulation. So Ripple will take a long time to grow. So if you are holding Ripple, just wait for something long. Now, somebody say, what happened that Solana was able to grow very, very fast the way it went within 1 year? Good. Look at Solana. They have a good project that they're doing, and the volume of the coin is just 297 million. So it will still hit the sky again. Solana will still hit the sky again. Now, USD coin, this is also a stable coin, so I will not talk about stable coin. Now, look at another thing that we are looking. You see Doge, you say, oh, Doge, wearing down. Now, Doge has over 131 billion. So the growth rate of Doge is going to be a little slow. So now you go like that and check all their volumes, and you check all their market cap, then you check their circulating supply for you to be able to pass your own judgment very fast. So let me go downward and look if I have anyone to use to talk again. Polkadot 500, and they have a very good project. So go for Cake, it's going to do well. Now, another coin that is going to do terribly well, but the volume is too alarming is, we have how many here? 130,333. So when you have this like this, how many billions is this? Is it a billion? Okay, this is far beyond a billion. This is 18, should be 18 trillion, huh? Yeah. It should be 18 trillion, guys. It's going to do well, but because it's formerly Bitcoin Cash, but the volume here is wow. And the number of it in the 24-hour circulation is so low compared to this volume, although this is out for something serious because it was former Bitcoin Cash, now eCash. So look at the volume. Okay. This here is million, here is billion, then here is trillion. So they have over 18 trillion pieces in circulation. Ooh. Ooh. So start going to people that are having, this is a million, billion in circulation. Ooh. Okay. So you should know when you see billions like that, you should know that this thing is, the growth is going to be very, very sluggish. I'm just bringing you to a coin that people use to draw my attention every day. What do you say about Shiba? I would like you to see the circulating supply of Shiba, and you should also look the 24 hours volume of Shiba, and you should know whether this coin is going to grow as fast as you think, because I kept seeing people say that, oh, Shiba will hit the moon by next year. Okay, I don't know what will happen between now and next year that will make this is 30, this is 30, this is 30, this is 70, meaning Shiba got their supply, the number of coin they brought into supply is 394 billion. Please look at a trillion. Please look at. Now, not 796 billion, not 796 billion, is 394 trillion. If you are a good person to analyze this thing, I'm just taking you a little bit of analysis, then tell me, when do you think this coin is going to hit $1, just $1? Is when the entire earth has adopted to use Shiba. Maybe everybody on earth say we are now using Shiba Inu. Then you should know that something like that has happened. So these are things I would like you to look at. Then finally, before this will take our time, this particular thing is done for my mastermind class where we look at, we do coin analysis together. So the next thing you look at is their socials and their projects. So I will not use Ethereum. I will not use it. So I'll just maybe use ADA. I'll click on ADA, which market is it found. Then you look at the chart, you look at how it's coming from. So just do that and know, okay, now look at the chart and the performance. So from there, you just put it on the all-time performance from the beginning to all time. Okay. Now let me get it to all time. Yeah. Now look at it from where we started from. You can look at it from here. 0.02 in 2017, and it remained on that dragging 0.2 in 2018, back to 0.4 in 2018, and then you go back to 2019, you look at it, 2019, 0.03. You can see how long this year is still 0.0, 0.0, working like that because of the volume of this coin circulation. Now it's in billions. So now the circulating volume, so it went high anyway. People has made a lot of fortune from it because it went high to 2.3, then later even went higher and higher to 2.9, close to 3. Okay, went to higher as 2.9, which is almost 3, and then so it's steady. So you can look at this now and then look at their data, what is it said about it, and then you look at the market where we have Cardano. So you can see Cardano, other market, we have it more in Binance, Coinbase, and Huobi Global. So it's having a good marketplace where you buy it as much as you want to. Now we look at this, and then specifically you can tap on the full marketplace to see the entire marketplace. Now look at the entire marketplace. So it's large. You can buy it in different places and then different market performance and so on. Then apart from that, now you can now go to their socials to look. Make sure you look at all this so that you will not be going to a dead coin. Let's see that. Make sure that people are talking about them. Their socials are up. Okay, then you know what it is, and then the news. Okay, this is the news. So that you help you to know that the particular coin you are dealing with is not a dead coin, and what is the whole thing doing. You just look at it. Okay. Look at.
I wanted to ask him.
So you look at the Instagram. Okay. And that is it. The socials. This is not coming up right now. Look at the rating. Okay. And then you look at the analysis. So you just look through all this to help you do your analysis very, very well. Some of this is as a result of internet that is not coming up. Okay, you understand? You see all of them. You take your time, you go through all these indices, and you get the real knowledge of what you are going to be trading on. Okay, going to be trading on. So why is your socials not coming up? Let me check again. Let me check on the Binance. Look at the Binance socials and see if the socials don't come up. Then it is the internet loading thing. So look at it. When last do they post, and what are people saying on their socials? It's very, very important for you to know what is about to happen in that particular coin and what you should do. So this is how to analyze your coin before you dive in. Okay, that's how you analyze your coin before you dive in, and you know how genuine the coins are. Well, imagine this is a very serious, deep, massive one, and then at this point in time, you look at it where they started from and how Binance Coin was almost from 0 point something at the beginning. It has grew to as high as 300 and even 600 and 675 for one from 0 point. You can see here is almost 0 point what? We have it on 0.1 to 600, and that is amazing market from within the space of 2.5 years to 3 years. So that is how you just quickly run into this analysis, okay? Then the next place you play around a little bit is your Binance. You enter the Binance. If you don't have a Binance account, after this timeout, just quickly get your Binance set up from the link below. You get the Binance set up, and up you go to Binance and start your business as fast as possible. Start your trading as fast as possible. For you to get in Binance, you must first of all then fix this puzzle well. Let's fix this puzzle well to suit in exactly then, and you get the OTP. Get the OTP from, get it from your phone, and once the OTP is up, okay, the OTP, get the OTP from the phone, and then once the OTP is up, you can now be clear. Let's put the OTP. So let's quickly check into Binance. Okay, now in Binance here, you just have to look at it, and then we go to the trade part. You can trade on Binance classic trading on your spot trading, and then you can trade any coin at any point in time. Okay, so this is what you see on your trading. So this is 1 hour, and let me just quickly move it to 1 week, because the 1 hour is just short on Bitcoin, BTC, USDT, so you can so there is an important changes on Binance verification. About important changes about Binance identity verification. You see every time they will be giving you notice like this, because it is very important for those of us that are using Binance. You quickly read all this notice on your own. Okay, now there's an improved in light of evolving global digital compliance. So you need to just effective new users required to complete intermediate verification to access Binance product now. So formally, without intermediate verification, you cannot access, you can just access Binance product for a little bit and make withdrawal. But now, it is now stated clearly that as from the 19th of October, if you don't have the intermediate verification in Binance, just forget about it, okay? Just forget about it. So these are the things that fellow Binancean, you should just follow this, okay? So these are things one need to follow and be ready for all this, because with time, you will need to properly be compliant before you will be able to use Binance. If you are not properly compliant, you will not be able to use Binance. And with what they are doing right now is to check those people that are using this in the wrong way. So we go back to our classic trading. Maybe today you decide to trade, you want to buy maybe ADA, just go in here and say ADA, and ADA to USDT you go. So if you want to buy, now all you need to do is to go to the buy, the amount of ADA you want to buy in USDT. You may decide to say, I want to buy $100 worth of ADA. It will give you 43.9 ADA, then you just click buy. It's a simple trade, but you must have USDT. So now you say USDT, how do I get to have my own USDT? Good and fine. That's a fine question, how to get your own USDT. All you need to do is to go to P2P in same Binance, and then on that P2P, just get yourself verified. On that P2P, just if whatever country you are from, this is Chinese yuan, then maybe you are from Nigeria, you are from Tanzania, or whatever country, just put your currency there. It will locate your country transaction. Now, once it locates this, you now put the amount you want. So this is to avoid becoming a victim of scammers. Do not release crypto. When you are reselling crypto, you will never release the crypto until you see the bank alert in your bank. Good, yes, you are correct. So now this is the exchange rate of a dollar to a naira in Nigeria as of today. Today, the 26th of September, that we're doing this presentation. I don't know how long this presentation will be on the internet, but look at it. So you see it's around 575 naira to $1. Some even say 575.2. It's as high as 575.2. So you look at the amount of amount that you want to buy, of dollar you want to buy. If it's just let me say you want to buy $50 what, just choose somebody that his own sale is ranges between that to $50, and then you click on to buy. Okay, now let's say $50 what is like let's say 60,000 Nigerian naira. Okay, this guy does not have up to that amount, so I'm gonna refresh to another one. Okay, let me go to this. This guy does not have that amount I'm looking for. Okay, 60,000. So you just do that. Then if it's not, that amount is not available, also you just go to this 60. Okay, 60,000 will give you $100, $104 worth of USDT. All that you need to do is just click buy. If the guy is available, it will come up. Okay, the guy has refreshed to get to also refresh along with this amount. So that is it. You now check again for the one that is available. Just for the purpose of those that will be going for this without this. So let's check for 50,000 naira. Okay. The amount is not available. So you keep checking, okay? Okay, 50,000. It's not available. 50,000. This does just be specific here. Put the specific amount up here, 00. Those I want to sell like 50,000, let all of them be listed up. So you just look at it. Okay, let me go for this first person. I just want to show you something before I quit here. Okay, 50,000 Naira worth. You want to buy $86, 86 USDT, you click. Okay, very good. This guy is available. Just to show you what to do, you just go there and make your payment. Okay, just locate this account number and make your payment. No need to tell him that you are doing crypto. Just tell him that you just made a payment. And once you do this payment, you just come here and click on transfer. And once you do the transfer, you just go take your mobile phone, do your mobile transfer him the 50,000 Naira. And then you click here. Then he has also 15 minutes. He will release your crypto to you. It's just 15 minutes deal. 15 minutes for you to make payment and 15 minutes for him to release the crypto. But he must receive a lot that he has done before that. Then the money will be available and then you can initiate your trade. So that is the simple way of how to operate this Binance, and you can buy continuously. You can be buying as low as $10 and be keeping them until you get yourself well equipped. And if you are rich enough, you can buy as much as 1 million, 2 million, and keep until you get the thing to a point that you would like to sell it back, you sell it off. So that is that about this simple how to buy or sell on Binance and how to locate a coin. We located the coin other, and we're able to do the buying, or you want to buy it, you just buy yourself. So get your Binance verified and do this, and then you'll be up to do. So the next thing in my lineup here today, before we go, is the trading robot. I would like to quickly tell you about a trading robot. Then when I tell you about that trading robot, then we can then maybe ask ourselves 1 or 2 questions. Then we just make our buying decision and go. So go back again to our presentation that is still on here on our trading robot. Okay. Now this is the amazing trading robot I'm going to be talking about today. Is called RoyalQ. Okay. It's RoyalQ. Now, why do you recommend RoyalQ? Very simple to operate and very effective. Very, very simple to operate system and very effective. And the RoyalQ system is using the spot and margin trading. That is, you are not going to be losing money at all. Not going to be losing money at all. So let's look at what is RoyalQ. Now, RoyalQ is a super intelligent, artificial intelligence training bot that will help you to execute your trading in real time. Okay, it executes your trading automatically, and you don't need to stay glued to your system or your phone for 24/7, because the monitoring and the trading will be done for you by RoyalQ in real time. Okay, so it's a super intelligent application that executes automatic intelligent trading in real time, monitoring and tracking of big data. You can trade up to 10, 20, 50, 100 coins at the same time within 24 hours, and real time monitoring all the whole thing and giving you guarantee income, steady guarantee income. So that is the RoyalQ. And what strategy is it using? It's using the quantitative trading strategy. So we know we are in the digital currency dividend era. So the quantity, taking compound profit is one of the best things that can happen for you. Is compounding the profit for you, okay? And the advantages of RoyalQ quantification system is that the RoyalQ adopts the multi-strategy and multi-technology future intelligence, quantification mechanism. So the user, all you need to do is just to select the correspondent investment or what you just want to invest, and just click start. And the system on its own will automatically match all the correspondent trading system and maximize all your profit. So this quantitative system is done by experts. So the road to learning this quantitative trading is even inside the app. So you can learn from many years practical experience of the guys that set up this device, and it's while amazing. We have a lot of tutorial classes even in the app. So apart from that, now let's look at the safety. Now, when you talk about safety of your fund, it's guaranteed because the RoyalQ do not hold your money. Your investment or your capital is with you. It's not inside the app. You don't put a dime. Apart from the money you buy this app for the 12 months, you don't put a dime inside this app. Your money is saved inside your Binance or your Hobby exchanger. Only what you do is you just allow or permit the API performance of RoyalQ with Binance, so that at the end of the day, you will discover that the integration, it will be executing a trading for you. It will be executing a trading on your behalf. So that is just what it does, okay? The system uses artificial intelligence algorithm to automatically match quantitative trading strategy that is suitable for your current market situation. It eliminates the problem of unprofessional judgment. You understand? And so the trading unprofessional judgment and your failure to meet up with time. And maybe you just want to do something, you could not meet up with the time. So apart from that, the credibility of this is that the RoyalQ is well registered. It's registered in California with headquarters in Singapore. Like the guys that invest in this, the guys from China, from Singapore, and the guys are doing amazingly well, okay? Now, we talk about the users globally. The head has 15 countries. Now, right now, it's more than 15 countries with China, Malaysia, Indonesia, Nigeria, Pakistan, Italy, India, Ghana, Korea, and so many users. And right now, there's amazing testimonies everywhere. So now, what are the possibilities and the challenges? The possibilities of this RoyalQ is that you are going to be dealing with the emerging market, which is trillions of dollars industry, high volatility, transparent, secure, 24 hours, 360 days market. There is no, okay, the market is short, or maybe we close on Friday, we'll come back on Monday. No, the crypto market does not go on break, okay? It is the latest technology built on blockchain technology that promises return on your investment, a wide scope of wealth accumulation for long term. Now, what are the challenges? The challenges that people have with the crypto is lack of knowledge. When you don't have the knowledge, you just need something like this. You don't even need to stress yourself, because since you have the knowledge, you don't have the knowledge much, maybe you're still acquiring the knowledge, you can just give the robot the room to create and to trade whatever your trade is for you. So, okay, you just get to do that, and then the robot will take care of the rest for you. Now, you need to focus on the market 24/7. Now, they need to focus on the market 24/7. You can't say you are a crypto trader, then you will not go back, you will not sleep, you will not rest, okay? So the RoyalQ software and the trading robot will handle that for you 24/7, okay? Now, the fear of losing money is one of the challenge, and the lack of experienced people in the industry. So we are just here to give you the support and the need you need to know, the knowledge and the background you need to know to run this business effectively. Now, some of the reasons and the challenges that people have is seeking crypto knowledge from people that don't even know anything about crypto. It's not everything out there that is crypto. Don't seek Ponzi scheme knowledge and think you are doing crypto. So you just need to learn this trading yourself, or you just need to engage this robot right away. Okay, so now let's quickly talk about why you should engage this robot. Save yourself the emotion. Just save yourself that decision and let this robot trade for you. Let it trade for you. Now, how is the connection done? The most trusted, and we're talking about connected to the most trusted. One of the most trusted crypto trading platform right now is Binance. Binance was founded in 2017, and it rise also to shake the market position with several leading exchanges. Okay, by 2021, this transaction volume on Binance alone has exceeded $3 trillion, and with users in 180 countries. Okay, becoming the world's largest digital asset trading platform. So far, this transaction amount on Binance Spot and derivative is all over 24%, is over 1 trillion in 24 hours. $1 trillion in 24 hours. Imagine a platform that is hitting $1 trillion trade every 24 hours with not less than 210,000 users, active users daily, active traders. When you have 210,000 people actively trading, you know it's massive. Okay, you taking the population of the world, you say you have 210. So it is a massive traders. Okay, now how does this thing connect? You just get your phone, you get to download your Binance app and connect it to your RoyalQ app, and up you go. Okay, now you must have gotten this presentation from anybody. Just get back to the person that connect you to just give you your RoyalQ invitation code, and then you just link it up with your Binance, up you go. So how does the whole thing look like once you connect? You'll be watching your trading in real time like this. And this is how the entire system interface look on your phone. This is the first stage you see, and then you link it up, and then you see the trade. You can pause the trade. These are the trade you'll be watching, all the trade that is going on. You can decide to pause the trade, and you can decide to adjust the trade, amend the trade. This is how the trade look like. So next, and how does the trading of this RoyalQ work? It buy for you when it is low and sell when it's high, and take the average position and buy again for you when it is low and sell when it is high. It takes the average position again and buy for you when it is at that point low and sell when it is high. So that is it. And it uses a system of trading strategy called Matinga trading strategy. So this Matinga trading strategy work on buying at deep and sell at high, and buying in a quantitative way by taking average. So if you see on this table below, you will see the average taking, maybe at the first point of the product, you buy 1, then 1/1, 100/1, you get 1. So the average is still maintain the average price. Now, when it goes deeper to buy the second time, which is now buying 100 twice, which is when now the price dropped to 50, now 100 pieces, and you maybe bought 2 times. You bought 2 times at that point. Once you divide the average, now you discover that 200 divided by 3, you have 66. 66 is still more than this. It still beat or break even or make average. Now, if you buy at maybe the thing drop to at 25, maybe the price drop to as low as 25, you buy another 100 more post product, that is 4 times 4 plus 4, which is 4 plus 3, which is 7, divided by 3, the 300 you bought, you have 42. So 42 is more than 25. You can see that it's taking good average. Then maybe the price will go to as low as 10% now. You buy another 100 cost of buying, then the total of here now is 17, which is 400 divided by 17. You have 23. 23 is more than 10. So you can see that at any dip is buy more and you make more profit. That's the same thing. So this is the Matinga average of buying and selling by RoyalQ. So you stand the chance not to lose money at all. Stand the chance not to lose money at all. The trading discipline you must have is that you should just share your money into two, okay? When you want to start this trade, then keep one for as the money you will use wisely, then use 50% as trading capital. Avoid overbuying, never overbuy, and never be panic, never be greedy that you must make all the profit. Consistent profit is better than high profit. It's better you maintain 0.5% consistently and you are making it multiple times than you are waiting to make 5%, which may never come at once. 5% at once may never come, okay? So never be greedy, take control of the market. Don't allow the market to take control of you. That's the discipline you should have. Okay, so how much do we sell this product? How much is this software sold? It's sold for just $120 for the entire 1 year, okay? So this software is just maybe $10 per month. Compared to within a month, you are making thousands of dollars. So the software has sold itself, okay? Annual signature, just $120 for the entire year. Very simple cost. Then if you are trading immediately, just add $20 more to this 120 so that you can have a gas charge on the system that will help you for the cost for gas charge of your trading. So the simple place to get this is Apple Store or Google Play Store. You download it. And if you are going to follow us, then you just go down to the link of this. Make sure you like this video so you to have more of my trading on digital skills and digital and crypto businesses. So just like it and subscribe. Then also follow down, you will see the invitation code. As you are just signing up, just pick any of the invitation code there and slot it in, and then you activate. Just use your Binance, just quickly activate. You are up and doing. Now look at this. The RoyalQ has just all that you need for the setup is right inside the app itself. So you can follow up from the download to the integration to all the level and set it up. API key management, everything is on their tutorial part of this. And apart from that, you can check that my WhatsApp number under this video. Just follow this WhatsApp number, reach me one-on-one wherever you are buying from, and then I will help you to do the binding and everything, the step you need to take and get your trading get started. So it's just easy to use. There's my real sell point for this is the selling point here is very, very easy to use, easy to integrate, and you put up your API keys and you're up and you're doing. So once you bind it, you can bind it with either Binance or Hoba account, and then it's binded, you are up and you're running. So, and the system will go in this manner. All you need to see is your trading profit and what is going on. Now, it also have a synchronized system where you can synchronize your trade with professional trader. You can copy their trading style. You can just give them some percentage, like 1% of whatever is going to be happening for them for the whole of the trade time. And they will put you in a detailed trading that will earn you between 1% to even as high as 40% per day. From 1% to 40% per day, depending on the market force in that time, just fully depending on the market force. So now all you need to do is to activate your money. All you need to do right now is to just quickly activate your money, and you start up, and so much things to gain, Now, is that all, Alex? No, that is not all. These guys are out to make you serious money. When I mean serious money, they are out to make you serious money. Apart from you activating RoyalQ right now and start trading, because the activation is just download and just get activated. Apart from you to just activate and start doing this right now, you also have the opportunity in RoyalQ. You have the opportunity in RoyalQ to sell this robot to as many people as possible, and you will be earning between 30% to 70% commission. Between 30% to 70% commission. Meaning, as you sell this robot for $100, so the percentage each sale you sell, they give you 30% of whatever the cost is. So look at it. Let's go into that. Once you are done activating and get started, I'm just going to share with you, you can build a RoyalQ team and make more money. One good thing about life is to make more money. The more the responsibility are, or the more the things that are coming up around you, the more the needs, the more your expenses. All you need to do in life is just to increase your earning. Once you can increase your earning, let your earning supersede whatever expenses you are doing, and you will definitely do well, okay? So let us check how this system runs, okay? Number one stage is once you activate this robot today, and you're among those that activate this robot immediately, the first thing you will gain on activation is you become a VIP1. Now, everybody that buy this robot and activate it immediately become a VIP1. And on every VIP1, you get 30% of the referral bonus. You get 30% of referral bonus. You get 30% of referral bonus. Now, after that, once you get 30% of the referral bonus, okay, then you will also be getting 20% of the team profit generated by the trading hours. Team profit generated by the trading hours, you get it, okay? And apart from that, you go to, once you are able to cross by selling this product to 20 people, okay? Now, maybe you just sold to only 3 people directly, and the 3 persons decide to sell for other 17 persons to make the entire users 20. The entire users 20, immediately your status in the RoyalQ Binance VIP will change to VIP2, meaning you are a VIP2 status. So at that point in time, you earn 20%, okay? Apart from that, you earn directly 20% from you get 30% on the performance dividends of the 20%. And at this point in time, you are still, invite this in is $40. Of recent is $40. You get direct referrals of $40, and indirect, those anybody that join under those your 20 people in your team, you get $10 in addition to the $40. So you have directly you get $40, and indirectly you get $10 for VIP2. Now the same thing once you go to VIP2. For you to become a VIP2, you must have at least have directly 3 persons that are VIP1, as I told you earlier. Now, apart from that, now you go to the VIP3 when you are having 100 people now in your team. So once you have 100 people in your team, then 5 of them are invited by you directly, okay? And then 3 of them are already V2, whether they are invited by you directly or but in your team, there are 3 people that are already V2, okay? At this point in time, your benefit will move from that 40% now, from that $40 to 50%, okay? You have 50% of whatever is so the 50% of this income now is going to be $60. 50% is going to be $60 because of the 120 fee. Formerly, it was $100, but right now,
the price has been upgraded from $100 to $120. So you have 50% of it, which is more than this $50, is about $60. So you earn 40% on the 20% performance. Then you have $20 on each person that joined indirectly. So the same thing, you go to V4. V4, at this point in time, you are still moving these people progressively, but the people directly invited by you must be up to 8. But the people that come among those 8, at least among the entire team of 300 people, you should have 3 V3. 3 of them are V3. You know, those people, you move them initially in your V2, you move 3 people into V1. In your V3, you have moved the same 3 people into V2. In your V4 now, you are moving the same 3 people, making sure that you raise at least 3 leaders also again that are V3 in your entire 300 people. With that, you have moved to a point of earning 60%. Okay, 60% of the robot money and 50% of the performance of 20% in it. And then you receive about $30 directly, and 5% of the entire distribution. So once you got that, you go to V5. Now at V5, you have the entire team number of 800 people, and you on your own, you have enrolled 12 people directly, and you have helped at least 3 people to become V4. You see, in V4, you help 3 people become V3. And in V5 now, you are helping 3 people now. You are having 3 people in your team now to become V4. And then your benefit is now 65%, and 55% of the performance in that 20% is given to you. Then you have $40 on every new persons in your indirect. So that is how it works. Then finally, the V6. The V6 is the crown level. With this crown level, you get 20 people directly out of 1,500 in your entire team. Mind you, at this point in time, you already have people all over the world from different countries you don't even know about that are working on their own, and they are making the money on their own. This is outside your trading. Your robot will be trading outside this. It's optional anyway. If you want to grow this team, it's optional. You can just buy this robot for trading purpose. There are many people that bought it. They don't even know how to tell any other person. They're just trading. It's optional. So you can just go ahead. But this telling people is to me, there is no way you just got something and you just keep quiet. That means you don't want other people to progress. Where progress alone, you just be in your own world and discover that you are already afraid of people around you because you don't want to tell them what you are doing to make money. So they'll come after you. They'll come after you. So just show them the way. 1,500 people in the downline and 70% direct benefit. You go, you have 60%, then you get 50, and then you're up and you're up. So with this, I would say you're up for profit, you're up for more money. It's just time to hit boom, 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 and money, money, money. So this is just how this whole system, and let me just quickly show you how the team profit work. Okay, you can see as high as $1,335 daily, $21,000 profit cumulative. So that's how this thing work massive. You can see it daily on the 21, on 20, on the 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27 of June. So it's just massive, okay? You can make massive money using this amazing robot. So welcome to the automation generation. Now it's time, just look down this button, hit the subscription button, and just pick any of the link sign up your RoyalQ as fast as possible. Reach me on my WhatsApp, join the group directly, or just send me a WhatsApp message on that WhatsApp number. I'll be attending to you 24/7, okay? So this is how the whole system and in the reward works summarily, from 30%, 40%, 50%, 60%, 65% to 70%. That's why I say from the beginning of this, I say you can sell this robot and make between 30% to 70% affiliate commission. Very, very easy to do and very, very simple to go about. So you're welcome to this. I would like to tell you that this online business has a lot of benefit, very, very much benefit. It is the latest technology business. It's a home-based business. The business is in your mobile phone. You can be in the beach, you can be anywhere doing your business. The profit is through crypto trading, and the profit, you can make both profit in referral and profit in trading. You have time freedom. You can move anytime, anywhere, make more money, new friends around the globe, professional, and you become a professional expert as fast as possible. So right now, get started. We with you, watching and looking forward to see you execute more. Now, if you want to learn more things from us as fast as possible, we have a lot of courses we run in our crypto academy, and also we have a lot of courses in our Tech Plus Mentorship Academy. This is 1 year performance between last year, April, to this year. You can see guys that bought some of this Bitcoin, a Bmb $14 last year. This year, April is now $638. You can see Ethereum $155 April last year. April this year, Ethereum is just $2,200. Right now, it's over that. Now you see Bitcoin of $6,875 April last year, got to as high as $60,000 in April this year. You can see all the performance of this coin. Dogecoin made 15,000% within a year. Now Binance made that 3,000% within a year. ADA made 3,000% within a year. So Ethereum made 1,200% within a year. DOT make 1,135% within a year. Link make 1,000%. Bitcoin made 719%. That's Ripple. Xrp made 680%. So you can see on and on and on. So you are out within now and next year. Set a target, set a budget, and you meet it up. You can meet up your financial freedom as fast as possible within a year. So get started right now. Reach us now. There are coins, and these are few coins we encourage people that you can take advantage of them. Get as little as you can or get as much as you can. Just keep them for the next 1 year. Between this 2021 and beyond, you never can tell. This can take you to 3,000% to even 5,000%. So just get started. And if you want to join our course, just quickly pick any of our courses in techplus.com or academy.techplus.com. Our courses, 1 month course is under serious discount right now. We are given 90% discount from $299.9 right now is going for just $29.99. So which if you are in Nigeria, you pick it for just 14,000 Naira and you get very comprehensive course for 1 full month on how to do your crypto business. Apart from that, we just quickly tell you that you can develop in these 3 core areas in the crypto industry, in the digital marketing industry, and in the e-commerce industry, which is the digital commerce. These are 3 core areas, and we call you now to just dive into them. And let me just quickly give you our courses in the academy. This is our courses in the Tech Plus Mentorship Academy, the digital marketing, and then we have the e-commerce, which is the digital commerce. Then we have the digital currency. And then in the digital marketing, we have affiliate, we have Amazon publishing, blogging, we have digital product creation, digital sales funnel, social media marketing, video marketing. We have web consulting, freelance service. These are what we cover in our digital marketing courses. Then we have the digital commerce courses, the e-commerce store creation. We also take you on drop shipping and mini importation. And if you are out for the blockchain technology, we take you on crypto trading and investment, and we take you on smart contract ICOs. Welcome once, join this Zoom meeting and share this Zoom meeting with friends, as more of these meetings will be coming up at the same time every Sunday and some Saturday. So looking forward to receiving you. My name is Alex Adams, and then hit on the subscription button and be with us again and again. Okay, see you in the next meeting, and then catch up with you. So I would like to go back to my friend Elijah is still there, and then say Miriam she's still here, and say let's this is the end of this presentation for today. We'll see in another Zoom. So can I hear your shout out before we go? Yeah, who is with me here? Can we just say farewell? Hello, Miriam. Hello, Elijah.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Yeah.
Yeah. But then I was going to ask something,
Okay.
but hello? Yes.
Yes, I'm with you.
Can you hear me, sir?
Very well.
Okay. Yeah, I wanted to ask then, when you were explaining how to authenticate the genuineness of the coins and the rest.
Yeah.
Yeah, I wanted to ask that, is it the volumes in the market that will determine the one to go for based on a short-term or long-term basis?
Okay.
Because you were like saying that a particular one was having over 300 billions or trillions volumes, and that one has less than that, that it will take time for the one with higher volume to catch up with profit compared to the one with lesser volume. So I wanted to know, what are the basic parameters to consider when picking up a coin?
Okay. Yeah. What I shared that time is I was just telling you that some of those coins you see with that kind of high volume will take a longer time to grow. So if we consider that, truly, you made a very good observation, and I would like to go back to the screen and then show you some little thing about those kind of coin. But let me just a bit go to coin market cap and go to what you are actually asking to get it clearer. Now, when we talk about long time, I will encourage that if you are investing for a longer time, you can invest with this circulating supply, meaning this is the number of coins they have in circulation. And in the principle of demand and supply, you should know that the more the item in the market, the cheaper the price of that item will be. Do you all agree with me?
Yes, sir.
And now the more the item in the market, the slower the item we finish. You understand?
Okay.
So
yes,
on that, you have to use long term in mind when you are trading in this kind of coin, because it will not appreciate as fast. You see, this guy is what? 32 billion. Are you getting me now? This 32
yes,
billion. And this guy is just what? 117, how many? 117 million pieces available. So this guy will appreciate faster than this guy. You get it now?
Yes, sir.
Get it, sir. And now, when we're doing that, and I saw the one that people were rushing very well, based on it is very, very cheap, is Shiba Inu. Everywhere Shiba Inu. Now, they have how many? Not billion now. Can you see it now? They have 394 trillions. And people are anticipating that this thing will get to $1 before next year. I tell you from my own personal analysis, this thing will not get to $1 in the next 5 years. It will not. Except one thing happened, that the whole world, everybody started using Shiba Inu to do everything they want to do, so that the demand will be high. Will be high. Look at it now. Look at the volume of it that is circulating in 24 hours. So can you compare these two things? Look at the 24-hour usage. Only how many? 248 million that people are using in 24 hours. Now the entire thing. So they have not even bite it. They have not even pinch. They have not even pinch small. So it won't go high as fast as they are anticipating. That's just a simple technical analysis. Okay. Now I'm also talking about the market. If I click on it now, then I'll go to the market. Understand? Let's just see what the behavior of this same coin is before we go. Let's see the chart and the behavior of this same coin. Okay. Now, let me check all time. Okay. Now, this behavior now, look, imagine. So you can see how flat this thing was on this kind of flat movement. Because this is a project of 2021 project here that everybody is crazy about. Oh, Shiba Inu. 2020 Shiba Inu was launched. Now in 2020, can you imagine the gap of zeros that is, so that people can buy it as much as possible? Imagine how many zeros. Can you see the zeros there? 0.00000. I don't know how many zeros is that place. I can't call that kind of zero. It's long I did mathematics in school, so I don't want to stress my head. You understand?
Well, part of mathematics.
So you can see, but the zero actually went down very, very well. So people had made a lot of profit with Shiba Inu already for the zero to move to this point. And that's the time that people really made money from it. It really went to a point that those zero were eliminated in May this year. May this year, something happened that it was a bit profitable. Then after that, May this year, the thing now start dropping, and it dropped in let's say in July. It drops July 6th. Then it got to this point now. That's of 26. Today is 26. Now it's still on how many zeros? Now saying that it will hit $1 as fast as possible. Well, I'm watching. Maybe Elon Musk can do that. Yes, Elon Musk can do that. So everybody should buy it and hold it and wait. Because if Elon Musk decide to just go and carry Shiba Inu now, I say my entire money I have in life, I'm using it to buy Shiba Inu, the thing will go to $1.
Wow.
Yeah, it will go to $1. And then whoever is inside when Elon Musk will do that kind of magic, you will discover that your $10 has turned to $10 million. Your $10 has turned to $10 million. And if I were you, I will not wait for Elon Musk to exit before I exit. That second I'm seeing that $10 million, I'll pack my entire $10 million and go and form my village or my city somewhere and relocate. So that's simple as that. Okay. So sometimes we look at their project as well. Understand?
Wow.
Look at their project and look at all those things. So those are the things. So thank you for that observation. Yeah.
Thank you so much, sir.
Sometimes you look at some coin and you look at where are they sold first? Just always look at where are they sold, this marketplace, so that you will not just buy a coin that you'll be trapped. You can see this one is sold in plenty marketplace. Okay. Now let me look at another coin and look at whether that coin is sold. Where is that coin sold? So that many people ask me questions about that coin, but I don't know much. I won't say anything on the public here. Let me say the name of the coin is Zuga coin. I saw the signboard everywhere that only one of that coin is sold for $106,166. So you can see the Zuga coin. Okay. I'll soon round up because of I'm at home doing today, and then my battery is almost off. So now this Zuga coin, I've typed in, look at the behavior of that coin. Okay, look at the behavior. Now, what does this kind of behavior indicate now? Down to this, then you don't wake up of recent and start doing all this this. So with this now, all you need to check is which market are they? Where is the market? Which market can we buy them? Can you just see them easily in any of these market that are listed? Okay. So I'll go to the market now. You see the only place you go and see them is on PancakeSwap. On PancakeSwap. If not, on this bank, this and this, you can see that they told you that the confidence of those places is low, is red. So only on PancakeSwap that they can do the this and that. And everything that is swapped on PancakeSwap, to me, we have not finished, validating you that your credibility is strong. Because look at the liquidity. Can you see any liquidity of it on PancakeSwap? Any liquidity? No liquidity. Even on the PancakeSwap, there is no what? No liquidity. So anything without liquidity, why? Why will you say, to score the liquidity? You must score the liquidity first. So that is it. And if you look at their socials, which is what people look at recently, I don't see any of their activity there on the social. So I also, well, it's not in Binance, it's not in major coin edition, with all the edition. So I don't know what to say here. Okay. Wow. Yeah, I don't know what to say. That's how to consider how to get into a coin and not get into trouble. Okay. Just buy it. The number of people using it is another thing to consider. Okay. You understand? Wow. You consider the number of people using the coin. The number of people using the coin. So if you go to coin market on this particular coin, how many people, what is the circulating volume? The circulating volume of this coin. You check for the circulating volume. You understand? Now, look at this. Let me look here, please. Circulating volume.
I'm with you, sir.
Eh?
I'm with you, sir.
Anything in this circulating volume where I'm pointing my hand?
No, nothing.
Okay. So I don't know where is the coin? Where is it going to? Where are they? So just be, everything you do like that, just be absolutely careful. That's how you escape.
And it's where big canvas for in Nigeria.
Huh?
They are really canvassing for it in Nigeria.
Okay.
Especially from the southeast side anyway.
Okay. I don't know much. I don't try dangerous thing like that anyway, but because of my knowledge, I have strong knowledge base, so I don't do too much dangerous thing. I take risk anyway, but I take calculated risk. I check all the parameters and things around you. So you have the ability now to check any coin yourself the existence,
Wow.
the marketplace, the places, the circulating volume, the social follows, and so on, and what, how many of it. So then you can now do your buying decision.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So
thank you so much, sir.
See you in that place we used to meet.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
I sincerely appreciate, sir.
You're welcome. So
yeah, thank you, sir.
If you want to trade, the trading robot is up and is good. You can take good position now and don't leave money on the table.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah. As soon as I'm set for that, I will link you up.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Thank you for today, and see you in another set of tutorial.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Yes, sir. Have a nice day. Thank you, sir.